What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra along with the other two S22 models will launch on February 8th at the Unpacked event. We already know how the devices are supposed to look. The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will retain the same design as their predecessors, while the S22 Ultra or the S22 Note will adopt the design of the Galaxy Note series instead. And today we have a real-life leak at the handsets to give us a better understanding of what to expect from the design point of view. Right off the bat, let me make it clear that these are dummy units and not real-life handsets. I find it funny and it's ridiculous at the same time that many of the big websites are pushing this as a real-life leak of the S22 series. How do I know these are dummy units? Well, first of all, in the S22 Ultra, there will be a 3x telephoto zoom camera as well as a 10x periscope zoom camera. If you notice, there is no periscope zoom lens on this unit of the S22 Ultra. This is a real-life photo of the S22 Ultra leaked by John Prosser a few weeks ago, and the periscope lens on this phone looks like this. Second, as you can see, the back finish of the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are glossy here, which is not in line with what we've been hearing so far. It's highly unlikely that Samsung will go back to a glossy finish after going matte with the S21 lineup. Both the S22 and S22 Plus will have a plastic back this time, and here it looks like it's glass, which is not true. And third, the overall fit and finish of all the three phones scream that these are dummy phones because it looks so cheap. Plus the Samsung logo looks a little different on all the phones. So there's no doubt that these are dummy units, but the thing is, the real S22 phones are expected to look like what we're seeing here anyway. And oh boy, the S22 Ultra looks so good in that white color, definitely looking forward to what it looks like in real life. With that said, here's the first look at Xiaomi's next flagship phone, the Mi 12 Ultra, that takes the ridiculousness of the camera design to a whole new level. The Mi 11 Ultra had one of the worst looking camera modules ever, and I was wondering they couldn't make a worse looking phone than that, but I was totally wrong. This looks even worse. This phone is a direct competitor to the Galaxy S22 Ultra in the Android world with the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, similar displays and even a similar camera setup. But as far as the looks are concerned, it's gonna be an easy win for Samsung. Anyway, do consider subscribing to keep up with all the Galaxy S22 updates, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.